So I had originally started off thinking I was going to do Hulu. I happened to be in a movie mood, and thought I was going to end up doing the Hulu site, but it turned out Hulu is extremely complicated in the way that its database works. But I still like the idea because I happen to be a huge movie fan. So what I decided to do is to kind of take the idea of a movie database similar to Hulu and to kind of map it out as a relational database that could be built highly simplified from what Hulu's version is, but one that still is, I think, fairly representative of how a movie database could be structured using a relational database. So what I started with was the main table, which is the movies table. And from there, what I wanted to be able to do is I figured with the movies, let's track, of course, the movie ID would be the primary key, then to put in the title and then the year of the movie. And that would be the main section, the main table there. In addition to that, things that you would be able to track would be things like the genre of the movie. You know, what kind of a category? Is it a Western? Is it a science fiction movie? Is it fantasy, crime? What is the genre? And I figured with the genre, that would be a one-to-many connection with the movie database, where multiple movies, one movie can have a genre, movie can have one genre, but a genre can be related to many movies. In addition to that would be the MPAA rating or the movie rating, you know, whether it was G, PG, PG-13, that kind of thing. And with the MPA rating, you would have, obviously, the rating ID, you'd have the description, and then you would have the age group that would be appropriate for that type of movie. And again, that would be one MPAA rating to many movies, or many movies that would have a single rating. In addition to that, you would need to be able to track the actors and the studio that created the movie. Now, these are a little bit more complicated because you can have many studios associated with a single movie because, you know, they often work together in concert to produce a movie, so more than one studio could work together. So to be able to create that many-to-many relationship, there is a linking table that would go between the movies table and the studio table that would allow us to be able to link those together in more of a one-to-many relationship. The same thing with actors. You're going to have multiple actors in a movie, and actors can be in multiple movies, but if you were to create this linking table here that says the movie cast, that would allow you to then have that many-to-many relationship broken down into a one-to-many relationship between the two databases. That's kind of my idea of how this would work. Again, it's highly simplified, but I think it gets the idea across on how a movie database could be built in order to be used as an example for this class. So that's my idea. I hope you guys have a great day.